In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept deposits on Shopify. If you sell custom, made-to-order, or high-ticket items, taking a deposit can help secure a commitment while you finish the work. In Shopify, deposits are typically handled by recording a partial payment first, then collecting the remaining balance later. I'll walk you through the starting points and share practical tips so you can manage this smoothly and keep everything tidy in your admin. Begin by going to Shopify.com and signing into your store's admin. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can access your sales, products, customers, and settings. Keep your payment provider set up and verified, since you'll be recording payments against orders. Next, click on Orders in the left-hand menu. This is your hub for everything related to payments and order status. From here, you can view existing orders, filter what needs attention, and work with draft orders, which is the most common way to capture a deposit. With draft orders, you can add the items your customer wants, include custom line items if necessary, and apply discounts or shipping. You can then record a partial payment as the deposit and leave the remaining balance open to be collected later. When accepting a deposit, be clear about the terms. In the order notes, add the deposit percentage or amount, the balance due, and when it's expected. If there's just a production or delivery timeline, include that context too. This keeps your team aligned and gives your customer a written record on their invoice. You can also tag the order with something like deposit so it's easy to find and follow up. Think through taxes and shipping at the deposit stage. Taxes should reflect the full taxable amount, not just the deposit, so that your final balance is accurate. If shipping will be calculated later, make a note so there are no surprises. For inventory tracked items, verify that quantities are reserved or planned, especially for made-to-order workflows. When it's time to collect the balance, return to the same order in orders and record the remaining payment. Keeping everything in a single order preserves clean reporting, makes bookkeeping easier, and helps with refunds if plans change. If you need more automation, explore apps that support deposits or payment schedules, but always test on a draft order first to confirm the customer experience. That's it. Go to Shopify, open your orders, and manage deposits through clear notes, draft orders, and partial payments. With consistent terms and careful documentation, accepting deposits becomes a simple, reliable part of your sales process.